Meet xTool Studio V1.8, a workflow-focused update designed to make creating more creative, confident, and productive. From smarter project management to faster design tools, here's what's new and how each feature can help you work with less friction. Leading off is Project Notes. With Project Notes, you can capture operating tips, cautions, and decisions directly inside the project. And set a reminder for the next time a file is opened or right before processing. The second upgraded feature is MySpace. MySpace brings local folders, cloud storage, and benchmarks in one place. Add local space to manage files on your disk directly inside xTool Studio without moving or copying the originals. Along with the enhanced material settings, you should be available where you work, not only when the internet is stable or when you are signed in. V1.8 lets you save material settings locally and keep using those local settings offline. You can also sync material parameters between local and cloud storage, so a setting created on one computer can be available on another. The new node editing tools are Select, Add, Delete, and Break, leading to faster path editing. You can drag a segment directly to bend a straight line into a curve. You can also snap merging any endpoints within a compound path and snapping along paths. The fifth new feature is Trim Tool. When paths cross, hover over the unwanted segment to see it highlighted in red, then click to remove it. xTool Studio automatically reconnects the remaining path when possible. It is a quick, precise way to clean up complex line work. Text and image warp gives you more freedom. Use preset shape or custom to bend, arch, twist, distort, or add perspective to text and images. It helps designs fit curved layouts, irregular areas, decorative compositions, and product graphics while keeping the editing process fast and visual. With Image Fill, you can turn an image into a repeating pattern inside a target shape. xTool Studio can tile the image automatically while you adjust spacing and scale until the pattern fits naturally. It is useful for apparel graphics, decorative textures, and repeat-based designs. Variable Design was designed for business owners. Variable Design turns one template into a full batch of personalized outputs. Convert objects on the canvas into variables, then replace them with values from a spreadsheet. Generate number sequences with prefixes or suffixes. Turn data into QR codes or barcodes. Or import Excel and CSV files using column headers. Before production, preview the current batch and control how each variation is processed. V1.8 also upgrades how you preview results before production. Such as flat preview, fully optimized, real-time mini window for rotary processing, and the enhanced glass inner engraving preview. Update xTool Studio V1.8. Try it, test it, tell us what you think.